Hi, this is Vinay from vCompetency Tech, and we'll see how we can create a table in a SQL Server. So, before creating a table, we should have a database. So, for example, let me refresh this. For example, we have some database name here. So, if I use any database, I will come here and select the database. And if you don't have any database, so first we need to create the database. Okay, so what I will do, I will create one database. Create database manage student. Okay, so I will select and execute here. So see, we got command complete successfully. If I go to database folder, right click and refresh, so see, manage student, one database I created. Now under this database I need to create a student detail one table. So how I will create, I will write table, then table name I have to give. The table name I will give student details, open close bracket. Inside we need to give how many field we need to create and data type. So first I will give the field name. Field name I will give STUID, that I will give INT, comma, then I will give STU name. So I will give it uh, it is a string value, so I will give varchar around 200 width. So this is the data type, what data type this column is having, and this is the data type integer student ID is having. Student name is having data type varchar 200. Okay, now I will give student ID, student name. Okay, uh, stu class, which class they are studying. So varchar I will give around 100. Then I will give the edge, stu edge, that I will give int. Okay, so and also I will give status, whether this student is still there in school or not. I can give status, stu status, that I will give bit. Okay, it will contain 0 and 1. Okay, so the data type is bit. Now I will create it. Okay, so these I need to create under manage student, but here what is open here, this is different database is open. So what I will do, I will come here, I will write use SQL, sorry, manage student. So once I will write here use manage student, means this database will open. See, came here. Now I am going to create a table under manage student. So I selected this and I clicked. Okay, so this is how, if I go and refresh here, refresh, okay, and go and see inside manage student database, there is a table folder. Under that, see, I created this student detail, the same table I created here. So if I go and see how many columns are there, so we can see like it. See, there is a student ID, a student name, a student class, a student age, and a student status. The same data type what I have used is coming here. So this is how we can create, and how we can insert the value inside. So we can insert something like that. Insert into the table name. I will give, okay, and what are the columns? So the same columns I will use here. Then I will remove the data type. Columns I will use only columns. I will remove the data types. Okay, so these are the column. Okay, fine. Student ID. Okay, so how we will write? Insert into table name in a bracket the columns, then values. Okay, and here I will give, for example, one name. I will give uh, Sanjay. Okay, the class I will give fifth standard. Age I will give fifth means 10 12 around 11, and the student status I will give yes 1. Okay, if I insert this, see one row affected. So one row came here. So how we can see the row? Select asterisk from table name. Okay, so how we can see that? See, one row came, right? So this is how we can create one table. So before creating table, we should have one database. If already there, you can write use, then create. If not there, you need to create the database. I have explained how to create. Then after that, you create the table like this, and you can insert value like this, and the insert value you can see by select asterisk from student. So this is how uh, we can create a table very easily for SQL Server. Thank you. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel Competency Tech, and please don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.